Hi guys, got a request from BattyBowman, wants a tour of my workroom, wants me to talk about my various bits and bobs and what projects I'm working on. Well, yeah, okay, doesn't quite work like that with me. I work very randomly. I don't plan anything very much, or at least not very often. And my bits and bobs, yeah, well, I'll show you around. This is my workroom. This is our small bedroom, third bedroom, and this is where I started off doing my work. Back in 2013 is when I started my YouTube channel. It used to have a bed there, a single bed. If you go back and look at some of my very old videos, you'll be able to see it. It was actually quite tidy in here. I'll just shut the door so you can't escape. Right. Okay, I don't do much work in here at the moment because I can't get in. This looks worse than it normally is. It's not much better than this normally, but we have had to clear out the second bedroom just in case anybody wanted to stay over Christmas. So some of this stuff here is from the second bedroom, and also we had to clear off the dining table because that's where I currently do most of my work. So some of this stuff is from the dining table, although I've done some work today, so a couple of boxes are down there on the dining table. So as I say, originally there was a bed there, single bed, and the first thing I added in here was these shelves, which was just sort of a bookshelf, and then a few odds and ends got squeezed in there. Over in the corner there, those are CD racks, but they happen to be the right size for me to put those little takeaway plastic tubs in that have various things in them, but I've outgrown that, so that's a window there which you can't open because I've got all sorts of bits and pieces there. I don't know if we can see any names on them. LEDs, gears, size 64 rubber bands, relays, resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, propellers up there. That one says solar on it over there. Hanging from the curtain rail, we've got some rubber band powered cars. Yeah, okay. Some aeroplanes in there. Some aeroplanes here. The only problem with storing them like this is they tend to get damaged in storage. So some of these may never fly again simply because they haven't been stored properly. In these drawers tend to be disassembled radio controlled cars, and other bits and pieces. There's actually some tools in that drawer. Plastic bottle tops, I use quite a few of them. I don't know. Oh, that's actually some foam board that I bought several years ago with the intention of making some foam board model aeroplanes. Haven't done that. What have we got down here? Some radio controlled cars under there. These are actually catapult launch gliders in there. They normally sit in the car just in case we have a nice day, but they've been brought in. Small radio controlled cars under there. There's actually a computer under there that I haven't used in years. There's two more computers over there standing on top of each other. Haven't used them. Radio controlled car in that bag there. Radio control car there. What else can we look at? Oh, now that, what do we call that? A panini cooker, toaster, something like that. Bought that to actually melt those plastic bottle tops. Atomic Shrimp did a video on doing that, and so did quite a few other people, but his was the one that inspired me to buy that when I saw it in a charity shop. What else have we got? Rubber band powered car. No, that's an electric powered car, isn't it? Yes, did that just the other day for somebody. Spider. That spider, one day, whenever I get round to it, will actually be converted to a rowing boat. I'm going to replace his arms with oars. Well, obviously I'll take the body off it as well. In fact, under there somewhere, I don't know if you can see it, there's a boat down there. That's the one that I'll be modifying. There's the mast. Yeah, that's the one that's supposed to be becoming a, what do we call it, a Roman galley, isn't it? The ones that have the lots of oarsmen. So that's what he's supposed to be doing. Helicopter, aeroplane, boats. Oh, there's a tank in there. I don't think we can see that. Hidden back there. Haven't got a light on this camera, so we just have to make do with what we can see. What's that say? Flight something or other school down there. No, which one's which? That's 27 megahertz transmitters, I think. Or is it that? No, that's 27 megahertz transmitters, bag of them. That's 40 megahertz transmitters, I think, maybe, possibly, or oh no, I think 40 megahertz are in a clear plastic bag behind that lot. That's infrared. That's probably infrared. What else we got up there? Another aeroplane up there. Missile launcher. Model aeroplane kit. Computer power unit. There is actually quite a few helicopters in there. A few other things. Oh, another model aeroplane kit. A couple more. Some very thin foam, that's wall insulation, but that makes interesting model aeroplanes. Another little project to do. Got some balsa. Cardboard glider that probably ought to have been thrown away by now. Boat, car, boat, car, boat, helicopter. Yeah, that's sort of a look round. A homemade skateboardy thing up there. Somebody asked me to make a rubber band powered skateboard, so that's what that is. Oh, some more Poundland gliders. That's projects that I should be working on. Ornithopter. Got a bag full of them. Rubber duck. Well, plastic. Wire controlled car under there. What's in there? Yeah, okay. Actually, that drawer is my hobby grade radio control gear in there. Underneath all that other stuff. How about that? Picked that up in a recycling centre. for digging your weeds out. Yeah. Right, okay, so that's a tour of my workroom that I don't actually work in. Oh, there's a big lump of foam up there for doing hot wire foam cutting. Yeah. Sticky back plastic, various different types. Oh, sticky back vinyl it calls it there. And now up there, my flying car. Haven't done that for a long time. Pop boats, I think we got in there. Oh no, that's a little jet boat, water jet boat. That's the remains of a pop boat with an aeroplane hanging from it, and it was called a Tesla coil, but it isn't actually truly a Tesla coil. Supposedly saltwater powered car that I've got it running off a supercapacitor. Some wooden automata up there. And those boxes are all air engine powered toys. Rowing boat. Oh, that was a sort of paddle boat thing. Little water jet boat. Another drone. Books on how to do things that I never read. Ian Banks. More Ian Banks. Yeah, I think that's about it. Four-wheel drive electric car with 4 little electric motors on it. You have to be careful where I stand here. AC motor there to strip down at some time to get the wire off it. Yep, there you go. Especially for BattyBowman, a little look around my workroom. Yeah. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.